Hello, my crafty friends. I hope you're having a fabulous day today. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs. Today, I have another fun project to share with you. I have created another Bustier purse. I am having so much fun making these. Last week, I introduced two Bustier purses in two different designs, and I use soft pastel colors and a digital collection from Lace Boutique 1 on Etsy. I recently created a tutorial and I wanted to go in a completely different direction, and this is the final result. Before I review this project in detail, let me show you the paper that I used. I used an older collection by DCWV called Tattered. I love this industrial chic. I thought it was perfect for a steampunk theme project. This bustier is the same size as my previous projects. This is about 9.5 inches, almost 10 inches in height. The width in the front is 6 inches at the widest point. On the side, it has a 2 1/4 depth, and this is what the back looks like. I love this beautiful paper in the sepia tones, the grays, the blacks, and of course all of these wheels, cogs, and gears. This is a side, and you can see I've layered these beautiful flowers, and I've got metal gears attached. And on the front, I've given this purse 2 handles. I've embellished the handles with this black sequin trim. On the right here, we have this beautiful metal butterfly, and then I've created this flower cluster using Prima Marketing flowers. I have lined this with metal gears. We've got a copper and a bronze. In the centerpiece, I love this flower. You see the detail? And it has a large pearl in the center. I did include black lace to line the top of the bra cups, and then I've added in more sequin trim. In the center, I used a black organza ribbon, and I think that looks so pretty. I did use my We Are Memory Keeper hole reinforcer to create these eyelets. I was going for a fairly monochromatic look. We have more of the cogs and the gears here. On the side, I've added in more metal gears, and then we have this key. I think this is so cute, and it actually turns. On the left side, I have another butterfly and then more floral sprays here, and we have more gears. I just love this paper. Can you see all of the metal gears in the background? I had so much fun making this. I can't wait to load it with fun goodies. I'll be putting in cards and a little journal, a wand, and other fun things. This concludes my review of my Steampunk Bustier purse. Please be sure to check out my tutorial for how I made this. I will include a link in the description box. Hopefully I've inspired you with some fun and creative ideas. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you on my next video. Bye for now and have a wonderful day.